We're here at Page High's award-winning medical science program. We're going to ask some of the students here all about it and see how it is.
What have you learned in medical science?
I've learned a lot about the human body, like anatomy. I've learned how to do vital signs and a lot of other lab procedures, like medical testing, blood pressure, and IV type stuff, like blood work, and yeah, a lot more.
My favorite part about this class is the hands-on experience that you get. I've learned how to draw blood, give somebody shots, how to take vitals, and like EKG stuff. I think it's pretty cool, but that's my favorite part.
I'm on the sports and human performance pathway, and so in this pathway I did health science, rehab, anatomy, and exercise science.
I love it. I love anything that has to do with like medical, like anything. I think it's pretty cool since I want to go into physical therapy when I get older.
Over the past few years, I had Miss Cinco. I've learned a lot about taping and exercising and presenting better, which helps me benefit myself in the foreseeable future.
And in this pathway, it taught me a lot about the field and the physical therapy field. And so I learned a lot about taping techniques, a lot about the musculoskeletal system and anatomy. And it also helped me learn about patient techniques and hands-on experience. And so being able to work with other people has really helped me prepare me for the field.
What was your major accomplishment this senior year?
Being certified as a clinical medical assistant.